Change my life, launching an online business from scratch. Ever dreamt of turning your passion into a successful online business? This course will guide you through every step necessary to transform that dream into reality. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and bring your vision to life. In this comprehensive course, you'll learn essential skills and strategies to start and grow your online business. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to launch your venture and achieve your entrepreneurial goals successfully. Starting an online business offers unmatched flexibility and potential for growth. You can reach a global audience, operate from anywhere, and scale your business with minimal overhead. Embrace the digital age and unlock new opportunities. Identifying a profitable niche is crucial for success. This course will teach you how to uncover market gaps and choose a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise, ensuring a strong foundation for your online business. Effective market research helps you understand your audience and competition. Learn the steps to gather valuable insights, validate your business idea, and create a strategy that meets the needs of your target market. Crafting a business plan is essential for your online business. It provides a roadmap outlining your goals and strategies. A solid plan helps secure funding, guides decision-making, and keeps you focused. It's your blueprint for success and growth. Creating a professional website is crucial. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your brand. Use a user-friendly design and ensure it's mobile compatible. A well-structured website enhances credibility, attracts visitors, and converts them into customers. Selecting the right e-commerce platform can make or break your business. Evaluate options like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Consider factors like ease of use, scalability, and features. The right platform supports your business needs and facilitates growth. Strong branding is vital for standing out. Develop a unique brand identity, including a memorable logo, color scheme, and voice. Consistent branding fosters trust and recognition, making your business more relatable and appealing to your target audience. Creating engaging content is key to attracting and retaining customers. Focus on providing value through blog posts, videos, and social media updates. High-quality content builds authority, fosters engagement, and drives traffic to your website, enhancing your online presence. Search engine optimization is crucial for making your website visible on search engines. By understanding keywords and optimizing your content, you can attract more organic traffic, improve your ranking, and ensure your target audience finds you easily online. Social media is a powerful tool for business growth. It allows you to connect with your audience, share content, and build brand loyalty. Choosing the right platforms helps you reach your target demographic effectively and engage with them meaningfully. Developing a social media strategy ensures you post consistently and engage your audience effectively. It involves setting goals, identifying your audience, and planning content. A well-crafted strategy helps you measure success and adapt to changing trends and audience behavior. A content calendar is essential for maintaining a consistent online presence. It helps you plan, schedule, and organize your posts. By mapping out your content in advance, you ensure timely and relevant updates that keep your audience engaged and informed. Engaging with your audience builds trust and loyalty. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create interactive content. Genuine interaction encourages repeat visits and fosters a community around your brand, making your audience feel valued and connected. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal customer base. Responding promptly to comments and messages fosters trust. Share user-generated content to show appreciation. Authentic interactions create a sense of community, boosting customer retention and advocacy. Paid advertising can significantly enhance your online presence. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads offer targeted campaigns, maximizing your reach. Start with a modest budget and experiment with different ad formats. Monitor results closely to optimize performance and ROI. Analytics and tracking tools are essential for informed decision-making. Use Google Analytics to monitor website traffic and user behavior. Social media platforms offer insights into engagement metrics. Regularly review data to adjust strategies and improve overall effectiveness. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for building relationships. Collect email addresses through signups and lead magnets. Send personalized, relevant content to nurture leads. A well-segmented email list ensures higher open rates and conversions, driving business growth. Scaling your business requires strategic planning and execution. Focus on automating processes to save time. Outsource tasks that are outside your expertise. Expand your product line or services based on market demand. Consistent evaluation and adaptation ensure sustainable growth. Building an online business is exciting, but certain mistakes can derail your progress. Common pitfalls include neglecting market research, overlooking SEO, and underestimating the power of social media. Being aware of these can help you navigate more effectively towards success. To make your journey smoother, create a solid business plan. This provides a roadmap, helps you stay focused, and ensures you cover all necessary aspects. A well-thought-out plan can differentiate between a floundering startup and a thriving business. Effective branding is crucial. Your brand is your business's identity and sets you apart from competitors. Invest time in developing a compelling logo, consistent messaging, and a unique value proposition that resonates with your target audience. Leveraging analytics is key to growth. Regularly review performance metrics to understand what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach allows you to refine strategies, optimize campaigns, and make informed decisions that drive sustainable growth. In the end, your proactive efforts and strategic planning will pay off. Avoiding common mistakes, staying informed, and continuously improving your approach can transform your online business into a flourishing enterprise. Start now and watch your dreams take flight. Building a successful online business requires consistent effort and a strategic approach. Embrace the journey, stay adaptable, and continually refine your strategies based on feedback and performance metrics. Your commitment will drive your business towards sustainable growth and success. Engaging with your audience is crucial for fostering loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide valuable content, and create a community around your brand. Genuine interactions build trust and keep customers coming back, turning them into advocates for your business. Utilize analytics to gauge the effectiveness of your strategies. Regularly review performance data to understand what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach will help you make informed decisions and optimize your efforts for better results. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads and maintaining customer relationships. Focus on building a quality email list and delivering personalized content that resonates with your audience. Effective email campaigns can significantly boost engagement and conversions. Avoid common pitfalls by learning from others' mistakes. Stay vigilant about market trends, customer feedback, and emerging technologies. By proactively addressing potential issues, you'll be better equipped to navigate challenges and seize opportunities for your online business. Building and maintaining a strong relationship with your audience is essential for long-term success. Engage with them through comments, messages, and interactive content. Show genuine interest in their feedback and needs to foster a loyal and engaged community around your brand. Paid advertising on social media platforms can significantly boost your reach and conversions. Understanding the basics of targeting, budgeting, and ad formats will help you maximize your investment. Start small, analyze results, and adjust your campaigns for optimal performance and ROI. Analytics are crucial for tracking your performance and making data-driven decisions. Use tools available on social media platforms and Google Analytics to monitor key metrics. Regularly review your data to identify trends, strengths, and areas needing improvement. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience. Focus on building a quality email list by offering valuable content and incentives. Craft compelling emails that offer real value, driving engagement and conversions over time. Scaling your online business involves implementing strategies that support growth sustainably. Optimize operations, automate processes where possible, and consider expanding your product or service offerings. Stay adaptable and continuously seek new opportunities to meet increasing customer demands and market changes. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building strong customer relationships. Regular interaction through comments, messages, and live sessions can foster loyalty. Personalizing your responses shows that you value their input and helps build a community around your brand. Using paid advertising can significantly boost your online presence. By targeting specific demographics on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can reach a wider audience. A well-planned ad campaign can drive traffic and increase conversions, accelerating your business growth. Analytics and tracking are essential for understanding your business performance. Tools like Google Analytics provide insights into user behavior and website traffic. Analyzing this data helps you make informed decisions, optimize your strategies, and improve overall business efficiency. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for online businesses. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience. By sending personalized, valuable content, you can nurture leads, drive sales, and maintain customer engagement over time. Scaling your business involves strategic planning and execution. Focus on automating processes and expanding your product line. Leveraging partnerships and exploring new markets can also drive growth. Consistent evaluation and adaptation ensure long-term success in a competitive online marketplace. Common mistakes can derail your progress. One major pitfall is not thoroughly researching your market. Without understanding your audience, your product might miss the mark. Another mistake is underestimating the importance of a solid business plan, leading to disorganized efforts. Skipping proper SEO can severely limit your online visibility. Many new entrepreneurs overlook the importance of optimizing their websites for search engines. This can result in lower traffic and fewer sales, even if you have a great product or service. Ignoring social media strategy is another common error. Without a clear plan, your efforts to engage with potential customers may fall flat. Consistent posting and interaction are key to building a loyal following and driving traffic to your site. Failing to track analytics can leave you in the dark about your business's performance. Regularly monitoring metrics helps you understand what works and what doesn't. This enables you to make informed decisions and adjust your strategies for better results. Neglecting email marketing is a missed opportunity. Building an email list allows you to directly reach your audience with promotions, updates, and valuable content. Effective email campaigns can significantly boost customer retention and generate repeat sales. Thanks for watching.